Where is the Taj Mahal located? India. Where is the Great Wall located? China. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? France. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? United States. Where is the Colosseum located? Italy. Where are the ancient pyramids primarily located? Egypt. What is considered the cleanest part of the human body? Eyes. What do you call an animal that only eats meat? Carnivore. What is the capital city of Greece? Athens. What is the smallest U.S. state by land area? Rhode Island. In which Canadian province do most people speak French? Quebec. Where does pizza originate from? Italy. Which country is famous for biryani? India. Which country does the hamburger dish originate from? Germany. Sushi is a traditional dish from which country? Japan. Which country is known for kebabs? Turkey. Which country is famous for paella? Spain. What currency does Spain use? Euro. What currency is used in Japan? Yen. What currency does Brazil use? Real. What currency is used in Australia? Dollar. What currency does India use? Rupee. What currency is used in Canada? Dollar. What currency does Russia use? Rubles. What currency is used in South Korea? Won.